Good morning po, my dear brothers and sisters. December 25 of 2005, the late Pope Benedict XVI wrote his first encyclical letter entitled Deus Caritas Est, or God is Love. And in the letter, Benedict XVI detailed some discussion or reflection about Christian love. And one form, or shall we say kind of love, that he underlined is the love called amor benevolentiae, oblative love. Or if we wish to be strict with its translation, amor benevolentiae is love ready to think or to do good or will the good of others. At isa pong paanyaya ito na sana ang karanasan natin ng pag-ibig ay hindi lamang kilig, kundi pag-ibig na handang magbigay, pag-ibig na kayang mag-isip ng kabutihan para sa iba o mag-alay ng kabutihan para sa iba. Amor benevolentiae. Just days after we have begun our Lenten journey, we meditate today our practice of fasting. And our readings today would like to invite us about on the whereabouts of fasting, and to give one concrete image of it, of all that we have heard today. May every fasting be amor benevolentiae. Ang bawat pag-aayuno maging pagbibigay ng pag-ibig. Ang bawat pag-aayuno ay maging pag-aalay ng kabutihan para sa iba. The Lord warned the Israelites in our first reading that their fasting turned out to be moments of quarrel, moments of fighting, and even of expressing their pride. But it was not to be so. Fasting must be an experience of bowing our heads like a reed, of lying in sackcloth and ashes, to release those bound unjustly, to set the oppressed free, so on and so forth. But just the same way, the Lord wishes a fasting that is giving. A fasting that thinks of love and thinks of the good for others. Just as Jesus himself wishes for his disciples, and how the discipline of fasting should be for us. And my dear brothers and sisters, it is good to ask ourselves, why do we give up something during this season? Why do we fast and abstain? Why do we sacrifice something? Why do we need to drop something during this season? The answer is not for any dietary or personal pursuits. It is rather our love offering, our ability to share the goodness to others. Nasa mga binibitawan po natin, sa mga sinasakripisyo, sa mga nilelet go natin sa mga panahon na ito, may nabuhay na iba, makapagmahal tayo ng totoo, at maisip natin yung kapakanan ng iba. Fasting is not about saying to others, I have donated more than you, or to say, I have sacrificed more than you. No. Our fasting is our love offering. Our fasting is amor benevolentiae. When we are called to give up on something, when called to fast, yes, there will be something that will be taken off from us. But let us think of love. Think that this that this is our humble offering to others, and know that this will be for the good of others.